So, let's first of all, let's just be fair, okay? That some of us, and I'm not mentioning any names, might need to lose some weight, okay? So, we're a little heavy, right? And all we do is lift heavy stuff and squat things and deadlift things. And we here at Blind Dog are known for doing all kinds of things where we're lifting heavy things. But what we're going to do on March 31st, that's a Saturday, is we're going to have a fitness strongman hybrid competition, which means it's going to be man-woman partners. We're going to have some kind of max event where you're going to do something for max weight. And then we're going to have two events that are going to involve strongman implements, maybe not for a max weight, but we're going to put you through some conditioning, okay? So you're looking at WODs, okay? So, March 31st, we're going to put this up, probably on the Facebook page and registration page up this week. You can be super strong and get some fit girl to do it with you, or vice versa. You should try this. You guys will dig it. You will not die from doing a little bit of conditioning. So what I want for the next couple months, okay, I want to see Chris Baccio down 70 pounds for this competition. We're gonna set this up. I want to see everybody back here. Tell your friend. There's a couple gyms. Dark Side Athletics in Kentucky. They talk a lot of smack. Their owner is this fat, out of shape, bald ex-Highland Games athlete. I'd like to see him have a team up here. I think BSS should field a team. University of Ashland, I'm sure a couple of their people would be pretty good at it. So what I would like to see is everyone sign up for that. Start thinking about your partners now, and we'll have that up in sometime this week. We'll have the sign-up sheet, and you know how I promote things, so I'll be all over you to get on there. So, thank you to everyone who came out today. I want to thank Erin Renee for all the jobs she does in organizing these things. We're going to start out with my idea, and then she puts them all together. By the way, the competition in March will be called the Anvil of Crom. So, if you are a Conan fan, the Anvil of Crom. Crom loves cardio. Hello. Hi.